In today's video, we're going to walk through the best calibration settings for the Gigabyte M27Q monitor. These settings are ideal whether you're using the monitor for SDR, standard dynamic range, or HDR, high dynamic range, content, making sure you get accurate colors, sharp images, and smooth performance. For SDR content, which includes things like web browsing, daily use, and gaming, start with a brightness setting between 30 and 38%. You can adjust this based on your environment to avoid eye strain. Set the contrast anywhere from 50 to 80, depending on the type of content you're viewing. For the gamma, set it to gamma 3. For color vibrance, aim for a setting between 10 and 15, and keep sharpness around 5 or 6. The picture mode should be set to picture quality, and for color temperature, go with user mode. Set the individual color values as follows: red to 95, green to 98, and blue to 100 for the most accurate and vibrant colors. When it comes to HDR content, you'll want to crank the brightness up to its maximum setting to make full use of HDR capabilities. Set contrast to around 80 or higher, depending on the scene you're watching. Don't forget to enable HDR mode through your Windows settings or GPU software for the best experience. For motion handling, if you're gaming at high refresh rates like 170 Hz, set overdrive to balance to reduce motion blur. For lower refresh rates like 60 Hz, set overdrive to picture quality for the clearest image. And a couple of quick tips. Always use DisplayPort if you want to unlock the full 170 Hz refresh rate. Also, if you're running into any issues, check if there's a firmware update available for your monitor.